everyone! So this is the day after I came from Graz and now we are going on our vacation. I'm a bit tired and I'm in the same dress as I was yesterday, but who cares? So firstly we are going to Bosnia because we are going to be with the family, and then I have no idea where we're going because we were planning to go on Montenegro, but I don't know with the with the whole situation. So yeah, we'll just see. It's like you could like just never plan or whatever. So yeah, we are driving. We were waiting at the Slovenian border for 3 hours. It's insane. Like there's so much traffic. Now it's normal. We're in Croatia now. So yeah, we'll see what comes next. What traffic jam comes next. Guys, we are in Bosnia, so it was insane. The borders are just insane. We were also waiting on the Croatian Bosnian side for how long? 2 hours? I don't know, it was really long time. Now we just stopped for toilets and then we're gonna continue. Hope you can hear me. So yeah, we're pretty tired, but yeah, what can you do? Good morning guys. So this is the second day we're here and now we're having coffee. We are in the center of Prnjavor. This is where my husband is from. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, I will also show you around because I think this city is very beautiful. I've really come to love it, so yeah. Getting ready for the party. Guys, we are at the lake which is called Drenova. I will show you in a second. It's so beautiful, like the nature, and it's really peaceful. Like at first there were just some like little bit of place and then, a little bit of water on the lake, but now it's amazing. It's a bit dangerous. I better be careful. Well, good morning guys. So we've been here for already a couple of days, just doing some family stuff and everything, nothing special. And as you saw in the morning, what a storm. I don't think I've ever seen like this, anything like this. Maybe at the sea or something. Like, this storm was insane. The wind, oh my God, like insane. And if that's not enough, it's still raining, but there's no electricity. Welcome to Bosnia. Like, I was planning to work on my computer, and now there's no electricity. Yeah, that's real life. Basically, we gotta be grateful for everything we have, for all of these facilities. Like, I don't know, when was the last time in Slovenia that we had no electricity? Yeah, this is really a great reminder to be grateful for everything. They also don't have tap water here. You can't drink it, so I gotta buy this, I know it's really not sustainable. And Bosnia in general, they are even not separating waste. They put all of the waste in the same bag, which is so frustrating for me. I hate that. And even like just separating waste is nothing. And then the dog barking. Yeah, but I'm fine. I try not to complain. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We were planning to go to Montenegro in 2 days, so hopefully this plan will work out. So yeah, we'll see. Guys, welcome. We are at Kozara, and this is the monumentum from the Second World War. And it's amazing. I will show you. It's really beautiful. So there is also a hotel, like souvenir shop, ice cream, restaurants, info point, like everything. And then here are the stairs, and then we're gonna go up and I will show you the amazing monument. So here is the monument. Look at this. This is amazing. It's huge. And the park, a ton of people. So as you can see, we are here in the museum and it's explaining about the war, and it's like really sad when you're looking at this and reading, like you want to cry. It's really sad. Możesz, ja. So this is where we're walking, in the middle of the field.